Kia ora guys, welcome for a new tip. Today, after talk about the vision, the camera grip, I'm gonna talk about another gimbal, but a gimbal with an integrated camera in 4K 30 FPS. And that's it. Let me start it. So as you can see, we have a screen, microphone and the camera stabilizer. It looks like a DJI Osmo, but it's not. It's a Removu K1, a brand new Removu K1. Let's do a quick unbox first of the Removu. Let's have a quick check as well of what we are talking about in terms of specs. Stabilization, video 4K, photo 12 megapixel, so it's quite standard as camera. Then you got 4 hours continuous recording, that's a very good thing. LCD screen 1.5 is a classic, lightweight 340 grams is a very good one. Charging by USB cable, but then we're gonna see we have we can add an accessory as well. And of course, into the camera is all built with a 3-axis gimbal. In the box you're gonna find different things, but let's have a look first. You can say Removu K1. I want to just say thank you to Removu to send me this first early bird. Let's have a quick check. We got a pouch to put the stabilizer, the camera in. Very nice. And then we got a classic charger. Is a micro USB. Let's keep opening. We got some instruction. Oh, these stickers, very nice. We got much different stickers, and then they feel even very good, very good quality. And but the main thing is coming out now. Yes, the Removu K1, the new Removu K1. Looks like the DJI Osmo. It's the same principle, I would say, but it's a brand new Removu K1. Is the evolution of the previous one. You probably see lots of review, or you may have it, the previous model. The big difference, we got a screen here, so whenever I turn the camera I can see the screen, so it's not into the camera but it's outside. I can feel here a joystick, so it's meant to be to move the camera, and then this is to record and take a picture. The feeling is very good. It's very small. I expect it was bigger, and I may do a comparison with other stabilizer. So first touch looks very nice. Looks very good. Let's do some try to see how is the quality as well. A brief check of the box. This is a smart battery. It's an optional battery that I can put when my camera is out of battery. I remember it's 4 hours, so I just take it out and I stick it in like a gun. Nice one. Got another box here of accessories sent me from Removu. Let's have a check. Let's have a quick check what's inside. This is the box. If I open it, a bit tricky to open, and there we go. Oh, comes very nicely. Comes out very nicely. Oh, we got the 4 for the microphones. Very nice. We got a base for charging, I guess. This is base for charging. Yeah, very good one. It can be very useful. What we got more? We got a cover, I guess. There you go. Removu brand cover. And then, as you can see, we got a front film for a screen, and then a small pouch, a small lens cleaner. Then we got even a wrist strap, so you can carry your camera and then put on the wrist, just to be more safe. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. All this, the full package of accessory are pretty awesome. It's completely covered, charged, so the full package, it makes sure that your camera is ready to go every time.
Ieri e oggi perché questi magari non stanno giocando.
So at the end of this, what do you think about this Removu K1? Just let me know, commenting below the box. If you want to buy it, or if you want to check more details, you can go on the Removu website or on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And no more for today. So it's all for today. Bye bye from London. You care.